Dreaming of Fiji's white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters? You're not alone, but don't let the potential cost deter you. With a few savvy tips, you can explore this tropical paradise without breaking the bank. Let's talk flights. Flexibility is your friend when hunting for airfare deals. Consider shoulder season travel or midweek departures to snag lower prices. Websites like Kayak and Expedia are treasure troves for fare comparisons. Or fly to a nearby city and hop on a connecting flight to Fiji. Sometimes the road less traveled or flown can lead to significant savings. Accommodation need not be a luxury resort. Guest houses and hostels offer comfort with a smaller price tag. Many come with private bathrooms, air conditioning, and communal kitchens. Hostelworld and Booking.com are your go-to platforms for budget-friendly stays, and don't hesitate to reach out directly for exclusive deals. On the ground, embrace Fiji's public transport. Buses and ferries are reliable and wallet-friendly, connecting you to the heart of Fijian life. Just remember, island time might mean a few delays, so plan accordingly. For foodies, local cuisine is both delicious and economical. Dive into palusami or savor Kokoda without the hefty restaurant bill. Street food and market stalls are your allies in the quest for authentic, affordable meals. Just keep an eye on hygiene to avoid any unwanted souvenirs. Fiji's natural splendor offers a bounty of free or low-cost activities. Hike scenic trails, explore vibrant markets, lounge on pristine beaches, or immerse yourself in village life. Many resorts also offer cultural experiences at little to no cost. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good discount. Check with local tourism offices or scour the internet for coupons on snorkeling, diving, or cultural sites. Travel agents and your accommodations staff might also have the inside scoop on the best deals around. So pack your bags and your budgeting tips. Fiji awaits, and it's more accessible than you think. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.